In today's class, we will understand how to construct a quadrilateral. Today we will learn constructing a quadrilateral. So first of all, we will have to learn what is a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral is nothing but a four-sided figure, four-sided polygon, which is called a quadrilateral, which has four sides, four angles. So in this class, we will learn constructing a quadrilateral and when certain conditions are given. Here the conditions could be the four sides and a diagonal. When for constructing a quadrilateral, there should be four sides and a diagonal be given. This might be a condition when two diagonals and three sides are given. When two diagonals and any of the three sides are given, then we can easily draw the four side and the quadrilateral might be drawn. Third condition, when the two adjacent sides and three angles are given. When two adjacent sides and any of the three angles is being given, we can easily draw the four sides using the compass and the protractor. And here, when three sides and two included angles are given, that means two sides and included angle means the angles which comes along with these sides. So through using that angle and using the compass, we can easily draw the four sides and our quadrilateral will be ready. And there are some other properties which we will know in later classes that will help in constructing a quadrilateral. So first in this class we will learn, we will see how we construct a quadrilateral when four sides and one diagonals are given. So here we have an example that construct a quadrilateral PQRS where PQ is equals to 4 cm, QR is 6 cm, RS is 5 cm, PS is 5.5 cm and PR is 7 cm. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to draw a rough diagram of any shape of the quadrilateral and just simply name it PQRS. And in the outline of the rough diagram, just label the measurement and the further we will do next. So PQ, then PQ is 4 cm. So we will draw like this. QR is 6 cm. RS is 5 cm. PS is 5.5 cm. And PR, our diagonal is 7 cm. So while drawing the quadrilateral, we have to make sure that we take the measurement, we take the side which connects the maximum of the sides. So for this, we will have to draw first the diagonal because this diagonal is connected to all other four sides. If we take PS, then QR will be left out. If we draw PS first, then PQ will be left out and we don't have any of the angles. So we will draw first PR, the diagonal. Why? Because it connects all other four sides. PS, RQ, RS and PS as well. So first of all, we will draw the measurement using the ruler. We will need a ruler, a compass. In this case, we don't need any protractor in this case. So only ruler and compass will do the thing. So we will make the measurement of 7 cm and name particularly PR. From point P, we will draw the PQ. For that, we will have to make an arc of 4 cm from point P to upward. It might be like this. Then from point R to Q, we will have to cut an arc of 6 cm using the compass. So it might cut like this. So we will have to simply combine the points which are cut by the arc. So it will make a triangle like this. We can easily measure it by using the ruler. It will come 4 cm and this will come 6 cm. Then next, what we have to do? We have to draw sides PS. First of all, we have to name it point Q. Why? Because it's point PQ and QR as given in the diagram. So after that, we will have to cut an arc of 5.5 centimeter below PR to construct PS. It might come like this using the compass. And next, from point R to point S, and by measurement of 5 centimeter, it will cut like this. Then we will simply have to join the points and name the point S. And simply write the measurement 5 centimeter, 5.5 centimeter. And here our quadrilateral PQRS is ready. And simply we have to write the steps of constructions. We have to simply write the steps of constructions. What we have done is step by step. First of all, we draw the line diagonal PR. So we will have to write that we draw first of all we did this. Then after that we made an arc from point P and after that from point R. Then we have to write this as well, and after that we joined it, and that's all. And according to this, we will then our steps of construction will also be prepared and our question will be solved.